Hello everyone, welcome to Namaste Spanish. This is Muhammad Munawar and let us start learning the Spanish language step by step. In today's lesson, we are going to learn a very important topic in the Spanish language which is greetings. If you are a beginner or someone who want to improve your Spanish step by step, this video will be helpful for you. So stay with me till the end and let us learn the Spanish in simple and easy way. Let us get started. First, let us begin with the most common greetings in the Spanish, which is hola or la. So here written as a hola, but H is silent. So we will pronounce as hola, which mean hello in English. So this is the starting greetings in the Spanish. Usually we use whenever we meet our colleagues or any other. It is a simple, friendly and can be used in the every situation. So I hope you have understand these simple greetings which is hola, which mean hello in Spanish. So next, now let us look at the greeting based on the time of the day. So in English, we have usually three or four greetings depending on the time in a day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening or good night. Same way, we also have in Spanish as well. So let me come into the first one, which is Buenos días. Buenos días, which mean in English it is good morning. So Buenos días means good morning in English. Buenos means good and días mean day. But in this situation, it mean morning. Días also used in the morning as well. Usually días is used for the day, but in the many times we use días for the morning as well for noting the time of the day in a days. So next one is Buenas tardes, which mean in English good afternoon. Buenas means good and tardes means it have a meaning of literal meaning of after, but here afternoon. So tardes we also use for the meaning of the afternoon depend on the situation. Here also we have used as well for the afternoon. So next we will be having Buenas noches. So this we used for the good evening or good night. For the both situation we can use Buenas noches. As we have already discussed, Buenas means good and noche is usually used for the night, but in some situation we also use it for the evening as well. So these are the three greetings which is used based on the time in the day. Buenos dias, which mean good morning, and buenas tardes, which mean good afternoon, and buenas noche, which mean good evening or good night. So next, let us learn how to ask how are you in Spanish. We usually use two ways to ask how are you in Spanish. One is formal and second one is informal. In first let us start with informal. In informal we tell cómo estás. ¿Cómo estás? Como, which mean how are you. Como means how. Estás means you are. It is the third form of the conjugation which we will be learning on the upcoming classes. So it is a way for asking the how are you in informal way, which is como estás. This is how we denote this is a symbol for the questions. If we have the question, we will be adding the question mark on both the side, on the beginning as well as end of that sentence. So next let us understand how we can ask the how are you in a formal way. So this is como está usted. This is the formal way which we will be asking how are you in the formal way. Usted means they in English, which denote like respect, they, yours, like that. Esta means third form of the Esther, which we will be learning in the upcoming class, where its literal meaning will be you are, they are, means you are. Como means how. So its meaning as well, how are you. In English, we are not separating, categorizing based on the formal and informal. That is the reason we are not understanding these things. But in Spanish, there have two ways to ask the greetings. One is como estás and como está usted. So let us now see how to respond. So one of the way for responding the whenever we ask how are you, one of the way is bien, gracias, which mean good, thank you. Bien means good, we have already learned. Gracias means thank you. So bien, gracias means good, thank you. Another way for expressing same thing is that muy bien, which have the same meaning. Muy means very, bien means good. So muy bien means very good. Oh, one more thing. Another way for expressing the same thing is más o menos, which means so or so. Más means more, o means or, menos means less. So literal meaning will be more or less. We will be telling if we are okay, then we will be telling like más or menos. Last things where we can use is no muy bien. No means in English also no. Muy means very. Bien means good, which means not very good. So these are the way where we can respond whenever uh, somebody asks how are you. So that's all from this video. In the upcoming video we will be discussing more things regarding on how we can introduce ourselves and so on. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.